Just because someone may have achieved success last week, it doesn't guarantee that the same will happen for you today. Part of being successful as an individual is not just merely following how others did it. Your path towards success will always be different from others, and so you need to craft your success formula. Welcome to Nova Society, the world's best finance channel for personal finance. If you are interested in this kind of video content, then this is the perfect channel for you. Make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on our recent uploads. Success is when reality meets expectations. True fulfillment comes when you live the life you once dreamed of as a child, and it's at that point you can reflect and find contentment. However, this definition of a fulfilling life varies for each person, and no one should guilt or shame you for not aligning with societal expectations, such as owning a luxury car like a Mercedes-Benz. Your definition of success is unique, which means your path to success will also be different. Now, here's the intriguing part. Imagine building a business, putting in hard work, achieving remarkable things, and eventually selling it for a substantial amount. With newfound wealth, you could retire comfortably anywhere in the world, doing whatever brings you joy. But if you were to start all over again, the chances of replicating the same success under identical circumstances would be highly unlikely. Different moments in life, varying market conditions, and additional responsibilities would all play a role. This is why the notion of there being no fixed formula for success holds. You cannot simply copy someone else's decisions and expect the same outcome in your own life. How to craft your success formula. For many people, the journey towards success often begins, or should begin, with exploring accounts of other people's achievements and wisdom. However, it's important to note that you cannot simply adopt someone else's decisions and expect them to work seamlessly for you. Instead, you should approach it as seeking valuable insights. Many people misinterpret business and self-help books by expecting a comprehensive solution. When you read about others' success stories, it can inspire and motivate you. You may even envision yourself as the protagonist of the story. However, this enthusiasm often fades because, firstly, you fail to take action, and secondly, the specific circumstances in the book may not apply to your own life. Think of reading such books as encountering a buffet of knowledge. Roughly 80% of the content may not be relevant to you, but the remaining 20% holds the valuable nuggets you're seeking. This is why we appreciate how Tim Ferriss structures his books. They are not intended to be read cover to cover but are designed for easy skimming, allowing you to find topics and ideas that resonate with you and apply to your life. With consistent practice, you will accumulate a collection of information that aligns with your truth. The process is relatively straightforward. Take the valuable insights you've gathered during your self-education journey and categorize them into the following areas. First, focus on workflow, which involves understanding and refining your approach to productivity, time management, and efficiency. Workflow. The first category is determining your preferred workflow style. Everyone has different preferences, such as waking up early or late, working at night, or tackling the hardest tasks in the morning. People also have diverse methods of staying organized and prioritizing tasks, whether as digital nomads or in a dedicated office. It's crucial to find the optimal environment where you can perform your best work, whether it's at home with the soothing tunes of the Lo-Fi Girl or in a bustling coffee shop. This is important because a harmonious work environment minimizes friction and enhances productivity. Artists, for instance, go to great lengths to create the right atmosphere as it significantly impacts creativity. In a book on leadership, we came across a noteworthy nugget: to foster great work, you must provide individuals with the right conditions. The main point remains that having the appropriate environment and tools greatly influences the quality of your work, and it's your responsibility to discover what that entails. Your favorite sandwich. We came across this concept from Mark Manson, the renowned author of the best-selling book The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F***. At some point, you will encounter tasks you dislike or find challenging. Life isn't always filled with positivity and ease. The important question here is, What kind of undesirable situation are you willing to endure? Because inevitably, to attain anything valuable, there will be a cost attached. Your answer to this question grants you a competitive advantage. In our case, our sandwich consists of managing a busy schedule and juggling multiple tasks simultaneously. That's the reality of your situation that you'll need to encounter. Moving forward, this understanding plays a huge role in your path to success. What you are good at. This is all about being proactive in your learning and taking action. There isn't a single person in the world who is completely bad at everything. At worst, they may not have discovered their areas of strength yet. If you reflect on it, there are certain things you can do that others find challenging or even impossible. If you're having trouble identifying these strengths, it could be that you haven't fully explored your potential in various areas. It's crucial to uncover your strengths, and a useful tip for doing so is to consider what comes effortlessly to you in most cases. If something feels easy, it's likely because it comes naturally to you. This aspect of the formula will guide you in the right direction towards success. Life requirements. If you don't enjoy what you're doing, or if you don't incorporate things that bring excitement into your life, your endurance will be short-lived. Something needs to ignite your passion and drive you to explore the unknown depths we call life. We refer to these as life requirements because, at the end of the day, you're a human being, not a machine. Certain aspects need to be addressed first to prevent them from burdening you, such as having a stable living situation and nurturing relationships. Neglecting these essentials will eventually lead to unhappiness, and then you will have no motivation to surpass the obstacles on the path towards success. A good reason to do it. Your success formula revolves around having a compelling reason to pursue it and unwavering belief in yourself. When you genuinely believe in your ability to achieve it, you unlock a power akin to time travel of the mind. Picture yourself already living the life you've always envisioned. It took years of hard work, but you made it. You're experiencing the greatness of that life right now. Now, imagine going back in time 5 or 10 years, forgetting the exact steps you took to get here, but knowing deep down that you did it. This exercise puts things into perspective and instills confidence and belief in yourself. If you don't truly believe that this ideal life is attainable, you'll approach it half-heartedly, using the excuse of having tried before and calling it a day. While people often claim that there is no one-size-fits-all formula for success, the truth is that there are countless formulas available. This is because there are millions of successful individuals who have paved their unique paths. However, it's important to recognize that there is no predetermined formula specifically tailored for your journey. You must take the initiative to create your path to success. So own your story, learn from your experiences, and create your success formula. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.